97, 98, 99, 100. Oh, that was a good warm up. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. This is Jordan with Be Ready Self-Defense, and today we're going to review the Titan pull-up bar wall mount. Okay, quick review of hardware. So obviously it comes with these side frames, these two triangular frames, and then our main pull-up bar. It's smooth, it's not riveted or anything like that, but we'll go over that in a second. And then it does come with some other hardware here, but based off of some reviews I saw on Amazon, a lot of people recommended getting slightly sturdier hardware. So these are probably, it comes with probably, I think these are maybe 4-inch screws, and we went ahead and got 5-inchers, more or less. We might be off by a half an inch or so here. And then we got 3/8 on the width. These ones look a little bit smaller, but 3/8 is gonna be a little bit sturdier. So you could use the hardware that it came with, but I would maybe recommend getting slightly sturdier hardware, washers, of course. And then for your pilot holes, you're gonna want just a little bit smaller than that 3/8 size on the screw. And then we have 1 inch thick. We did about 50 inches on the length. Pine here, so we're actually gonna put that up on the wall first. We have 16-inch studs. No, it's a good thing none of the neighbors are watching this right now. We used a drill, of course, for the pilot holes, but we're actually using a ratchet to put our 5-inch screws in. We're a little bit old school, but we find that the ratcheting kind of grips the wood a little bit better. Looking like a gym now. All right, so the pull-up bar is up and ready to go. Looks sturdy enough. We went ahead and did the hurricane test on it.
Solid.
You want to give it the hurricane test? Yeah! Nice. So I think it's all right. So real quick thing with this one. So when I was looking for a pull-up bar for the home gym, I started looking at Rogue at first. Now, you guys know how I feel about CrossFit. How many am I doing, coach?
Zero.
But despite that, Rogue still makes really great gym equipment. Only thing is, the same exact pull-up bar made by Rogue is about $150 or so when I looked at it. I'll put the link in the description. So I wanted to look for alternatives. I found this Titan pull-up bar on Walmart for, I think it was about $109, give or take. I'll also put the link in the description there so you can see it. And as far as I can tell, it's pretty dang good. So my buddy Ethan, who helped me put this pull-up bar up, thanks again Ethan, appreciate you. He has the Rogue version of this, and he said he honestly couldn't see that much of a difference between the Rogue pull-up bar and the Titan pull-up bar. So if you're looking for a better bargain, this might be the way to go. So why do you need a pull-up bar in your garage gym or martial art gym though? Let me tell you why. Well, the real question is, why wouldn't you have a pull-up bar in your garage gym? I mean, pull-ups are one of those things like push-ups or squats that have pretty much stood the test of time. It's just one of those core exercises that you should always be working on. There are about a bajillion different exercises that you can do on here besides just pull-ups, right? There's a bunch of different variations on the pull-ups that you can do to work different back and arm muscles, and you can do a lot of core workouts as well. Not to mention, it's a super versatile piece of equipment to have in your gym because I can use the pull-up bar to attach other pieces of equipment that then allow me to do other exercises, both for strength and conditioning as well as martial arts. For example, Get yourself some Olympic rings. These were like, I think maybe 30 bucks or something on Amazon. Loop those around the bar, and now you have a whole bunch of other exercises that you can do on here. You could also hang a double end bag from here, and now you can practice with the double end bag without having to put another hole in your ceiling. You can just wrap around the pull-up bar and you're good to go. I really like how much it stands out from the wall. That gives me plenty of clearance if I want to do muscle ups. Last thing you might want to know, the bar is smooth. Some bars have rivets. So if you really like that, then I don't know, suck it up and deal with it. All right, y'all, that's it. Thank you for watching today's video. Feel free to check out the other videos on the Garage Gym project. I've got a Garage Gym playlist that you can look at, as well as some of the other videos on this channel, more focused towards self-defense. I'll continue to make some more Garage Gym videos. If we have any updates in here, I've still got some cool plans for the future. If you have any questions about the Titan wall mount pull-up bar, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Titan, if you're checking this out, I don't know, hook me up with some cool shiz. Okay, with that said, make sure you subscribe right now, like this video, turn on notifications. We've got a lot of cool videos coming up in the future, so make sure you don't miss out on those. This is Jordan with Be Ready Self-Defense. Train perfectly, fight ferociously, and be ready. Goodness, you guys weren't watching that. That would have been so embarrassing. Gosh.